How to manage your money well. Managing your money well is an important part of financial success. Here are some steps to help you get started. Understand your current financial situation. Take stock of your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This will help you create a budget and set financial goals. Set personal priorities and finance goals. Think about what you want to achieve with your money and how you want to use it. This will help you create a budget that works for you. Create and stick to a budget. Once you have an understanding of your financial situation and goals, create a budget that works for you. Make sure to include all of your expenses and income, and track your progress. Establish an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is important for unexpected expenses. This will help you stay out of debt and keep your budget on track. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your spending and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on top of your budget and make sure you are reaching your financial goals.